today. Well, I'm planning on it. It's a beautiful sunny day, and I got done with my editing. I got done with my step study questions for Celebrate Recovery. So let's see what we can find. Yes, let's go. Found one not too far. It's located behind the Sam Owen campground. It's closed right now though for the season. How pretty. I miss hiking. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for the season to start. Be a beautiful day for a hike. Right, Brother Pete?
Yes, beautiful day for a hike. It's about 45 degrees.
It's about 45 degrees.
Actually about 40 in here.
40 in here.
Yeah. And such.
It's really weird not having my tripod vlogging stick thing. I left it at church last night. So it's really weird.
We come to a...
So there's a grave that way. Do you want to go look, check the grave out?
Yeah.
Whose grave is it?
Don't know.
Okay. I think we found the grave. So we found the grave. This is it. There is an actual grave over here. The Owen grave. Now I get why it's called the Sam Owen campground too, where this trail's at. Now we are going to keep going. Are we gonna go back on the trail or stay here? We're going this way. What do you think? I just miss hiking so much. Ah. But the arrow's pointing that way. Okay, we'll take that way. I don't have my vlogging stick. It's kind of difficult. All right, let's keep going. Electrolytes. Let those seat for a little bit. Okay, let's go. We've decided to go off the official trail to explore a little bit. I'm feeling pretty good so far. I haven't needed any extra oxygen. That reminds me, I have a really cool thing to show everybody that I got to help deal with my current medical issue. But that'll be in the next time I take a break. So quiet out here. It's beautiful. So we're done with the trail, but we're coming to explore the Sam Owen campground. And that's in the Idaho Panhandle National Forest. And it looks like there's another trail over here. Why can't we go on it? We might take the trail on the way back, but we're gonna go explore the campground a little bit. Did you just climb over?
No, I went around.
Where?
Okay.
Hiking for the day. That wasn't too bad. There's the one we are definitely looking forward on checking out next, which is the Skull Creek Trail. I put it in the video, so I'm looking forward to that. So it was all right. It wasn't too bad today. I thought the season was coming, but nope, it's already here. Woo! Hiking was good, like I said. Now it's time to go to this pizza place called the Ice House Pizza. It's Stop. You're driving. Brother Pete being Brother Pete. And we're gonna go get pizza for the old folks before I had to head on over to Sandpoint for my Women's Celebrate Recovery 12-step study thing. Okay. I'm actually excited going to this place because the whole time we've been living here I haven't checked it out, so I just want to go take a peek.
I had to look at it. I can't remember what it is. He wants to step on it. Treeless. Because oxygen levels have been a little raggedy with this whole anemia thing. Got this off of Amazon. This should help me a little bit until I get my iron infusion treatments. But first, we're gonna try this out before I head into my class.